Hi there, WordPress newbies. This is Kate from Rusted Line Consulting. And today we're just going to go through what happens when you actually get a customer order. So I've put through an order here, $40. It's on hold because I did a bank transfer or a direct transfer. If your customer had paid by PayPal or paid by credit card or whatever, then it would actually have a status of, say, pending or processing. Next thing we need to do is go into the actual order and have a look at what actually ordered. So it has my IP address. It has a date that it was created. This is the server date and time. It has on hold. What you can do is as soon as you start to process that order, you can change it to processing. You can have a look at your customer there. Sometimes you can have a look at other orders that customer has actually done. Billing address, email address, and phone number I find always helpful, especially when you're shipping out physical product. And then a shipping address there. You can actually edit any one of those there. So if they email you and say, hey, Kate, you know what, I put in the wrong PO box or I put in the wrong address, then you can go and update that in your back office there. We have also PDF invoice data, so that just gives that little bit of information there, and we'll have to come back to that because PDFs are amazing. This is the actual order. So this is what I ordered here, metallic paint, pale gold, big bag size there, and I ordered one quantity. Now, if I change my mind and I said, hey, can you send me two, that wouldn't be a problem. You just update it there. The total then becomes $60. My flat rate shipping is $10. And then I should be able to save it. Great. And then that updates there. Or you can click on recalculate. You can also, just in case, you needed to up the shipping or delete the shipping, you can do so there. That's not a problem. You can, say, because you decided that, you were going to spend over $60 and I've got free shipping over $50, you can just check something like that says free shipping, whatever. You can also add more products. So we can add another product there. Let's wait for it to come up. So there we go. We'll order that one there. We'll have one quantity and then you can order another one there. We'll click on add. And what that will do is that will then add that to the order. It doesn't have a price on it because I didn't do that before. So if it had a price on it, it would update there or you'd press recalculate. It's also true too that if you decide, if you understand that you've got no stock, then you can apply a refund, play around with that. You can also apply a coupon if the customer forgot to use their coupon code. You can add more items, you can add fees, you can add extra shipping, you can remove shipping, you can do all that kind of stuff. You can also add notes for your own reference. So this is what it says. It says stock levels reduced, great. We're awaiting a bank transfer, excellent. That note there, you can also send a note to the customer and click on add. So we click on change of stock to be sent to you. And then click on add, and then that will write that note here. Great. You can send the new order again. So like if the customer wants any of these again, you can send that information to them again, save order and send email. This one here, PDF invoice, I really love so that I can just click on that simply and it creates a PDF for me so that I can download that and send that straight to the customer. It's fantastic. There we go. So that's the invoice there with all the details on it, all the order date, invoice date, what they ordered. Very, very helpful. And then what you can do is you can also resend some emails and things like that, different options. But I always click on update when I finish doing anything in here. That's just one way that you can do some extra bits and bobs with your order management. It's actually really important that you manage your orders properly. So you can see here it's got one. That's because there's one order there outstanding, sitting at processing. And when it's completed or, when you change the status to progress it through to the next stage, then that will actually change. It will take it back to blank. And then you can see as orders come in, that number will go higher, which is exactly what you want. So that's it. That's actually like just order management.